Hi friends, Tim Schrock here at Design Build Solutions. Thanks so much for watching. I want to bring you a very quick tip. You remember that modern stair challenge that I did a while back and even updated it with a customized railing in the library? In X15, we no longer have to do that. Check this out. So on the stairs, I'm in 3D rendering. I'm going to right click on it, open the stairs, and I'm going to go to my railings. There we go. Raise lower bottom. I can now do minus numbers in this raise lower bottom, so that when I click tab, watch that line of the stair of the glass panel. It's going to go underneath the risers and treads below the nosing. Click OK, and now we've got that panel will follow the edge. Of course, let's go take a section. It's much like my solution with the customized railing library object. So it's not quite down into the corner of the tread and riser. So let's do rail style. Oh, that's selected the wall. That's why. There's the railing. There's the stairs. Rails, railing, -9. There we go. We still have that line there, but if you were to send that to send this section to a layout, you can easily delete that line in your layout file. So new updates in X15, new things making it much, much easier. I'm excited to share these with you. Wanted to take a brief time out to share this one tip with you. Thanks so much for watching. Click like and subscribe down there, and let me know what you think. Have a great day.